Hello everyone, I'm Archana Rathod and I'm qualified with BA, BEd, MA, MEd, MPhil English, and I've been teaching students in schools and colleges for the past 20 years now. I have also trained students for ACT, SAT, GRE, TOEFL. These days, since 2 years now, I'm teaching students for PTE and IELTS, both of them. A number of my students have scored their desired score. My USP is that I reach the students' potential, I get to know their weaknesses and I work upon them. And that's why my students like my class. Do join our PTE tutorials at Aussies. A number of you want to go abroad to study, to work and have a dream to pursue, isn't it? And we at Aussies are here to help you for that. We train you for PT, for IELTS and help you with immigration too. We are a group of trainers at Aussies here and we would really like to help you out. The special thing about us is that, we look at your eligibility, we look at your potential, we look at the opportunities abroad, and we train you to fit the bill there. So do come to us. See, every student is an individual with his own special strengths and weaknesses. We will work on your strengths, to make it better. And we will work on your weaknesses to make sure that we eliminate the problems in your language acquisition. And that's how we train you for these exams. We know exactly what is required for getting these scores. And we will also work on your weaknesses to make sure that we bridge the gap for this requirement. We have a lot of authentic resources. We look at the repository that we have. We look at the PT tutorials. And we have our own website also to help you out. We have objectives. Number one objective is actually it's for you people. Our objective is to help you achieve your dreams, isn't it? And when you fly away to achieve your dreams, we are here looking at you with great pride, looking at the birds fly away the nest. And that is what the objective is, doing the best for you people. Do come for PT tutorials. There are some countries which require IELTS, some require PT. Whatever is your requirement, do come to us. We will train you for both, or whichever is your requirement. The journey of Aussies, we are number one actually. If you go to see, Aussies is number one. You go around and you see Aussies have the best trainers. We are qualified from Pearson and we are qualified from the British Council too. So do come to us. We have the understanding of what is required for you to get the score. I have been training students with Aussies for the past 2 years now. And this has been a wonderful journey. These students come to us with a requirement, oh ma'am, we want a 7 score or we want a 79 score or an 8 band. And then when they get the required score, oh, it's such a wonderful joy to see them achieve that score and fly away and achieve their destination. That's a wonderful journey that I've had so far with Aussies. So I would request you, I would encourage you to come join our Aussies group, come for the tutorials, join our IELTS and PT both. Whichever is your requirement. We will help you achieve your dreams to the best. All the best to you. See you.